Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete all name ranges at once in Excel. So in this Excel file there are three types of name range I have already created. So check the name ranges, you just go to the name box. You can see here when I keep cursor here, the name box is showing. Just click on this drop down arrow and these are the name ranges. Okay, with these three list I created here the name ranges. And now I want to delete all three at once. Here there is no option to delete the name range. For that, there's a other method. Go to the formulas tab. In define names group, click on the name manager option. And here you can see the name manager dialog box is open. And here you can see the name range is showing all three. Okay. If you want to delete the all three ones, simply select the first one and then press the, you can hold the key of the control. Simply select the first name range and hold the key of control. Simply select the first name range and hold the control key and then select the second and then third one. Okay, and now you can delete the all three name range at once. Just click on the delete and click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the all three name range deleted at once in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.